Good morning, children. So, children, again it is raining. Yes, if in this way daily it rains, so there will not be any shortage of water, no? Okay, children, I brought some pictures for you. Just see. They are standing in which order? From smallest to tallest, no? From smallest to tallest. In numbers, we say smallest to greatest. So they are standing in which order? Yes, they are standing in ascending order. ASCENDING. Ascending order. 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 This, children, I have explained you. Still, I want to explain it to you again, so that while doing you should remember everything. You should not get confused. This type of arrangement is called ascending order. Clear? Come to the next. See the next picture. Oh my God, it's chilies. No? Very spicy. Okay. They are arranged in which order? Biggest to smallest. No? Biggest to smallest. So in maths numbers we say greatest to smallest. No? Okay, children. This type of arrangement is called descending order. What it is called? Descending order. Clear, children? So let us start with the class. Let's see whether you can solve this exercise or not. Yes, children, this you have to do in maths classwork notebook number 5. You'll write on top classwork CW, then date also. Question number 1, write in ascending order. Ascending, I said those children were standing smallest to tallest. So here numbers we say smallest to greatest number. So which is the smallest number here? 58, 75, 23. Yes, 23 is the smallest number. So we'll write here 23. Then among 58 and 75, which is the smallest? Yes, 58 is the smallest. So next number will be 58. And last one is left out, that is 75. So 75 will come here. So your numbers will be 23, 58 and 75. Clear, children? Come to the next B part. 21, 15, 20. Again, smallest to greatest. So which is the smallest number? 15 is the smallest number. So 1, 5, 15 will come here. Then among 21 and 20, which is the smallest? Yes, 20 is the smallest. So next number will be 20. And last is 21. So your numbers will be 15, 20 and 21. Clear, children? Come to C part. 93, 90 and 96. Which is the smallest among these three? Yes, 90 is the smallest. So we'll write here 90 and 93 and 96. Among these, which is the smallest? 93. So next number will be 93 and last is 96. So your numbers will be 90, 93 and 96. Okay, children, come to the next question. Question number 2. Write in descending order. Now descending order, those chilies were there. Biggest to smallest. So here the numbers greatest to smallest. Okay, 80, 88 and 82. Which is the greatest? 88. So here we will write 88. Then among 80 and 82, yes, 82 is the greatest. So your next number will be 82 and last is 80. So your numbers will be 88, 82 and 80. Clear, children? Come to B part. 14, 18 and 11. So which is the greatest number? 18. So 1, 8, 18 will come here. Then among 14 and 11, which is the greatest? Yes, 14 is the greatest. So next number will be 14 and last is 11. So 11 will come here. So your numbers are 18, 14 and 11. Greatest to smallest. Come to C part. 36, 67 and 54. Which is the greatest number here? 67. So 67 will come here. Then among 36 and 54, which is the greatest? 54. So next number will be 54 and last is 36. So your numbers are 67, 54 and 36. In this way children, read the question and then solve. After writing, check it out whether it is correct or not. If there is any mistakes, you can recheck. You can clean and write, but don't take wrong. Okay? Click the photo and send it to me for the correction. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.